flavor, fever for the flavor of Pringles. I bought something else. And I'm probably going to do a double item in this one. Because I talk so goddamn much. I don't think you want to hear me talk through 2 videos about one stupid little item. I went to Horror Freight, and first thing I picked up was Hardy Hardy Har. Why did I buy Harbor Freight gloves? Wait. Why? I'll tell you why. Actually, I'll show you. Mostly because, if I can get one out, I'll show you. The reason why I bought these, you're gonna laugh. I bought Harbor Freight, or these disposable gloves, because I wanted this stupid color. Why did I make them green? Why are they green? Ooh, puppets. I don't know. I thought it was hilarious because green gloves. Like, can I green screen my arm? Actually, be a good idea. What if I can green screen this? Like, but well, if I do this on an editor, can I like make my hand disappear? Ooh, yeah. I don't know. Give a green finger. Oh, anyway, that's why I bought them. They weren't cheap. They do a regular price. They weren't special. They didn't have anything written on the box that I liked. I just thought the color was really stupid and thought they would match nothing I own and thought they were just a funny thing to own. So that's it. That's why I bought. I also picked up, what else? Oh yeah, oops, my glasses here. Let me put it on my neck here. Let me put it on my neck. I bought a... This I bought at Harbor Freight because I didn't feel like spending $1 million all the way on eBay. So I bought this. Can you see that? It is a Maddox Harbor Freight brand MH20B-1 Superior Automotive Tools Deluxe Compression Test Kit. I think it was on sale. Had the little inside track, member was half price. This one was the same price as the little shitty one. So I bought the big one. I bit the big one. Now do we have a stabby device to open this? Why do I not have a... Usually there's like all kinds of stuff to cut this open with. Not today, apparently. Hold on, let me get my knife. I'd unfancy to cut it open with. No power tools today, just a shitty pocket knife. So here. Where we go. Yeah. Like I said, shitty pocket knife. There we go. Alrighty. It comes with a very beautiful industrial strength cardboard box. It also comes with a fancy handle. Wait, hold on, let's show the box first. That's what's on that side of the box. Whoa. Oh, hi. There's this written on the other side. You want to read it? It's like the movie theater. Watch it be like Star Wars. Doom, 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 doom. Wait, no, it goes up right. It goes like this. In a galaxy far, far away, there was Maddox Tools. Oh, it's on an angle too. Anyway, there's this on this side of the box. There's this on this side of the box. Not much. Anyway, it's cardboard. I'll put it down here in my extremely messy bench and show you. There we go. Has 2 little latches. Has a very pretty cable label here. There's gum on this bench. What else here? Okay. Maybe if I open it, it'll be good. All right. So anyway, we'll open it this way. So the people can see. Show the people. There we go. Ooh. Comes with a instruction manual, which is... Oh, instruction manual. Completely, utterly, not So anyway, that's useless. Comes with this. See, it's a bib. Let me show you. Watch. See? So when you have lunch, ooh, there we go. Don't get the surface. Anyway, enough shenanigans. Okay, is it a bib? And there's hoses and things to screw in engines. So, yeah. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Do I know what this does? Yeah, it's a compression tester. If I remember correctly, you screw this in the engine. And I don't know what the hell. Maybe this goes in here. It's an adapter. Maybe. Oh, okay, it's the, what do you call it? This is the metric, and the other one is the standard. So, and if you're wondering why the hell did I buy this, look at that. What the hell is this for? I don't know. I don't know. That's what did I buy this for? Well, simply to test the compression on an engine, because I don't own any engine compression stuff. I've never really done a lot of engine work, but apparently it comes with a lot of stuff here. I don't know what the hell that's for. Apparently there's something in here that probably releases it. Comes a little cozy here. Whoa, for all your coffee. But anyway, I bought it. I'm gonna do a video of me testing a compression in a 1985 or 86 or 87 Big Red. There's a couple engines here. I have no idea if they have compression. How do I know how to test for compression? I, like everyone else, watched a YouTube video of somebody doing it. And I've read a whole lot of messages on the interwebs on how to test for compression. So now I am a YouTube expert on how to test compression. No, I'm not. Don't listen to me. But anyway, I do have one green glove on like Michael Jackson, and I'm showing you what I got here. So, what a look at that. I'm not really going to take it out of the box because basically all it does is screw in the engine. You pick a way to, either pull the cord or push the kickstart and test it. Will this work on an ATV? I hope so, because I'm not buying another one. So anyway, with that said, that's what I picked up from a Horror Freight. So yeah, like I said, Horror Freight's got its good points and bad points. I think it was $30 regular. I don't know, it's like half price or whatever. So that's, oh, and it comes in a very, very nice, what do they call these, blow molded cases? Because I think the reason why they call these blow molded cases, because when you take the tool out, it really blows to store these things. Like, it just sucks. Because you have a 12-foot high pile of blow molded cases, and what do you do with them all? Cut them up. They're not, half the time they're not even recyclable. It doesn't tell you what kind of, this one does. This is number 02PE something. So it's probably not recyclable. Go in landfill, kill all the whales, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to wear green gloves. Thank you.